So, you are my partner for this trip. Well, I have three rules for you, nerd. Don't speak to me, don't you even look at me, and don't think we are friends after this little partnership, okay? Good. Now, let's get on moving. At least want to make it to the campsite before sundown. This is so irritating. Nerd, just speak, please. I know. My one rule is not to speak to me, but this silence is killing me. Have I ever camped before? Yes, a long time ago with my dad. He learned me a lot of things about camping and survival in the wild. Yes, this was a long time ago. My dad got a big promotion at work, and now I hardly see him. I did tell him about our camping trip. Hey, he just said, "Enjoy, kiddo, be safe." Yeah, his work is more important. Sorry. How about you? Have you ever camped before? Oh, just a few times with the family. Did you enjoy it? Yeah, mosquitoes are a big problem when you go camping out. Is my laugh beautiful? Um, thanks. But let's get back on topic. So yeah, for mosquitoes, I would recommend a good bug spray. I always have some handy even at school. Mosquitoes or any bug never rest, so better safe than sorry. Oh, more camping tips. Oh, leaves under your tent will make sure the heat will stay in. When you make a fire, make sure to have small pieces of wood and always make sure to boil water or have some sort of water reversal device to just pour the water through to make sure it's safe to drink. Yeah, I have a lot of tips my dad had taught me. Oh, and most importantly is rope. Like my bracelet here is weed rope for an emergency. It's really good to have. Yeah, I am probably one of the best teammates out there. Hey, nerd, you are not bad yourself. Yeah, I mean it. You are actually cool. Um, so maybe I could be more friendly with you at school. Hey, don't take it as we are friends now. It's just me saying I will be more softer on you from now on. So if I look correctly at our map, we should be halfway. Hey, stop! Sorry for yelling at you. Just look out. The ground is wet and you might fall. Yeah, one wrong step and it's downhill for you. Exactly, the teacher should have actually done some research before picking a camping spot. Well, it's not like this location isn't a bad stop. The wet ground is just a bit dangerous, especially for people that's not going to look where they are walking. Well, I would have said to do a little information part at the start so everyone can know what to expect. But we are the only ones that have the route. Oh, well, I don't mind. I have experience with this type of terrain. Yes, and you have helped me to help you. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get moving. Let's research the campsite before sundown. Yes, I wouldn't be surprised if the jocks and some other sports groups already made it. Hey, don't say that. If I had another partner for this, I would have already been dead or something. Yes. I mean, you are an awesome partner for this. Oh, thanks. That hit the spot. Thanks for that. And like I said before, you are a wonderful partner to have on this walk. Yeah, we should definitely team up if the teachers have events or activities planned. Oh, do you? Ha- ah! Ah! Ow! 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 Help! Nerd! Are you there? Please help! Hey, are you okay? Hey, I have the fullest right to be worrying about you. Okay, okay, I think I twisted my ankle, hurt my arm. I definitely brushed my rubs, and probably much more. Yes, I can still breathe fine and feel everything. Yeah, you can take off my shoe. Ow, 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 ow. Be careful, please. It hurts like hell. Does it look bad, man? Okay, well, okay, okay. I will let you do your thing. Just one thing. Where did you learn how to do this? Like check for a broken foot, arm, and so on. Oh, mom and dad are doctors. That's good. Sorry, I'm just a bit speechless and my head hurts. You're holding up four fingers. Damn, this is a bad map. And it's all wet. We should probably try to find a way out of this place. Oh, you are going to carry me? Thanks. I really appreciate it. Yes, you can hold my legs. Yeah, let's go. What's wrong with me? Um, I really fallen for him now? The boy I bullied for months just because he likes different stuff. Oh, sorry. I was thinking about something. Oh, my keychain in my bag? Yeah, it's Pokemon. Yeah, I like it. It's fun and relaxing to watch. What generation do I like? Oh, the older ones for sure. And the fewer of the newer for once. Oh, you really stream the games? Oh, I never knew that. Hey, do you smell that? Yeah, it's rain. Ah, move! We need to find a place to hide. Hey, look! At these guest house. Yeah, let's go. Hopefully they can help us. Finally, a dry place to rest. Yeah, I have some money here, but it's not a lot. Why? Oh, yes, that's a good idea. Can you go here if we can get a room here? Okay, cool. I'm falling for him so badly now. Oh, hey, what's the answer? Two beds or one bed with dinner and breakfast. Let's go with the second option. Yeah, I don't mind. We have sleeping bags. Okay. And here you go, the money I have here. Hey, before you go, can you maybe carry me to our room? Thanks. Finally, a dry place to sleep and some food. Yeah, I'm happy. So you don't mind if I jump into the shower first? Thanks. And I have a weird request. Well, you see, I only have these clothes, and I just noticed my other clothes got wet from the fallen rain. Well, my bags apparently got torn. It's an old one. Yeah, a hoodie is perfect. Thanks a lot, man. Wow, that shower was all I need. Oh, for dinner, I would like steak and chips, please. Go take a shower and I'll wait for the food. Okay. Hey, food just arrived. Hey, what are you doing with our clothes? Oh, dry 'em. Cool. That's sweet. That woman offered to clean and dry our clothes. Come on, let's eat first, and then we can take our clothes. Oh, thank you. I'm glad you think I look good in your hoodie. Yes, I'm blushing. I'm wearing a guy's hoodie. That's kind of new to me. Yes, this is my first time sharing a room and wearing a guy's hoodie. Yeah, thanks. The meal was amazing. And about sleeping in the bed. No, I was thinking we could share the bed and just put a pack bag or pillow between us. Okay, cool. I will be crawling and warming up. Oh, hey, you back so fast. I'm sorry for shivering so bad. Yeah, I'm cold and I think my body is now feeling the pain. No, I'm fine. Just need to Adrian that's wearing off. Yeah, exactly. Can you maybe hold me? Thanks, man. Thanks. It's the shower stuff the guest house gave us. Yeah, now that we are this close, it's probably the right time to me to tell you the truth. The truth about my feelings for you. I like you. No, I love you a lot more than you think. I know you stream games and I'm a big fan. Yeah, I'm a little nerd. I like Pokemon and other anime and games. Why did I bully you then? I was just jealous. And you were so comfortable being yourself, and that's probably the biggest reason why I loved you. Yeah, I wanted to be myself, but I was always bullied before I started school here. Do you feel the same? Come here then, please. Exactly how I pictured it. So, will you please be my boyfriend? Yeah, we are now a couple now. Hey, what are you looking at? Well, please feel free to look, but no touching, okay? Come here, babe. Yeah, kiss me warm, baby.